Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Seth with MK Carpet Cleaning, and I just wanted to give you just kind of a rundown of a project we did just the other day. This is a hardwood floor wax removal. Now, we were contacted by the homeowner in reference to removing the wax off of these floors. Originally, he wasn't sure what was on the floors. He just knew that there was something on there, some type of residue. And we got to the home and we told him, just looking at the floors, we could tell immediately what was on there. We knew it was acrylic wax from a over-the-counter type of product. Lots of these products you can buy off of the shelf contain this. And we kind of educated a lot of clients and letting them know that these type of products, they look really good at first. You'll put them down and it really makes your floors look really good. It covers up a lot of imperfections on your hardwood floors. But then over time what happens is these products tend to build on top of each other and they just get really sticky. And here in North Carolina the humidity is really high, so as the humidity gets really high and it gets really hot, that wax is not as hard as finish for traditional hardwood floors. And this wax then begins to soften and all kinds of stuff sticks to it, like hair, just debris, and you just can't get it out. And also what happens is as it gets softer with the heat, you'll start to see little scratches in it. And if you move your chairs across it, or if you even just footprints a lot of times can get leave marks in it. So over time these floors, like I said originally, they look good from these products. They eventually start looking really, really bad. And as you can look at this red pad that I'm holding up here, you can just see the wax that we removed from the floors. So anyway, we had to remove it, and you have to be really careful with hardwood floors. We don't typically do as large of an area. That is, what I've done is I've put down the dissolver that's going to kind of dissolve the wax off of the floor. But these hardwood floors are actually pre-finished, so you can go a little more aggressive with them, and you don't have to worry about the wood warping or anything like that. So what I'm doing now is after I've let the dissolver sit for several minutes, I take the red pad with the 175 and just go over it. What this does is it breaks up the wax, and as you can see, our Power Flight machine over there, the auto scrubber, Jaden, he kind of works with me here, and as I do a certain section, he'll come in and get that dry slurry up just as quick as he can, just because you don't want it to harden. What happens after it hardens, it becomes really difficult to remove. So again, he comes in with the auto scrubber and removes it. Now this one section came out really good. We only had to do it one time, but a lot of times, depending on how thick the wax is, we may have to go over it several times. But anyway, I'm going to quit talking. You'll get to see the end result, and at the end of the video I'm actually going to post some pictures, because this is just one section of the house that we did, and there were some other sections that were really bad, but I just wanted to kind of show you just a little bit of our process for this. And if you are a homeowner and you need this type of work done, feel free to call us or text us 336-465-6120, and I'll put that number up here in a little bit. We do a lot of these wood floor jobs, so we can definitely help you out and get that wax off your floors, because again, it's a nightmare to deal with, and we can do it without messing up your finish or messing up your hardwood floors. So again, enjoy the video and don't forget to reach out.